Good morning, Megan Mitchell here, November 24th. It's a special day. I wanted to wish my birthday brother, Chris Johnson, a very happy birthday. How cool to share that with him. And today, I wanted to talk a little bit about links. We are onboarding people into Victory with Ash, and there's a lot of buzz about links and joining people and inviting people. And I got to thinking about what the symbolism of a link really is. In college, I was in metalsmithing and made jewelry, soldered jewelry, and I created some handmade chains for jewelry out of silver wire, wrap them around, cut them, and soldered each link together. Most of us have had a piece of jewelry, a necklace or something, or maybe not, maybe something that's not even a piece of jewelry, just something that requires a chain, and you've had a link to break. Sometimes jewelry isn't even soldered. Sometimes the links are open and you can just pry them apart. And we know that one broken link can break the whole chain, can weaken the whole chain. So as I was thinking about our referral links, I was thinking about the symbolism of that and what that really means. We've had a lot of conversation about communication. That's what I talked about all last week. And links are a little bit like a communication chain. What I've been seeing is that some people are not following the code of conduct. They're not following the rules that we have set forth in Victory with Ash. This is a community. Victory with Ash is a community, and we are instructed to personally be invited by someone or to personally invite someone with a link, a referral link. The reason that we don't post them publicly is because that becomes a weak link. What do I mean by that? Not technologically, not the link itself. What I mean is that we are creating a chain of communication. We are creating a chain of communication. We are creating a chain of connection with people. It's built on relationship. So there's a sense of responsibility and a sense of, strength when you are invited or when you invite someone. That's a link, that's a circle. And if that circle is broken, you lose some of that connection, you lose some of that strength. What do I mean by this? Well, if people are posting links out publicly, which is what we are not doing, but I'm seeing that quite frequently. This is what sparked my thought, is that if you join someone through a link that you just found publicly, there's no connection there. That person is probably not going to, they're just looking for a number of people, which is the wrong mentality, because we're not looking for quantity, we're looking for quality people to be in this community. If you join someone under a link that's been posted publicly, there's no connection. They're not going to feel any sense of responsibility towards you. They maybe don't even know you. Therefore, you've lost that connection with the communication chain. There's a chain of communication that happens when people are responsible and people take ownership and pass down valuable information from one person to the next. And I don't think that's
where you want to be. I don't think that's where any of us want to be. We don't want to be involved in something and connected to someone who is not concerned about us, who doesn't care if we're updated, who doesn't even maybe know who we are. So it makes sense to be invited personally and to invite someone personally. And that's what this is all about, is connection, creating a strong chain of people with shared goals, shared dreams, and a mindset of community. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that is sort of thought-provoking. If you have not joined Victory with Ash, or you are waiting for that link, think very carefully about who you get that link from and where you get that link from, because that's going to be the determining factor in the strength of your chain. Have a blessed Monday.